Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What's up, guys? It's Pier Fishing New York, and I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. This video was recorded August 19th and 20th of 2019, and right now I am in the Dominican Republic. As you can see, I'm fishing on a sail catamaran, and I'm trying to troll for some barracuda, in which I did unsuccessfully. But, you know, it was a great experience trying to catch a different species of fish in which I can't catch in New York. But all in all, it was fun, and I appreciate the guy that took me out. He actually was taking me out for free, but you know, he didn't really have to do that, so I gave him a nice little generous tip when I finished fishing. And I was only out there for maybe 30-45 minutes, and it's very unsuccessful. There was a lot of weeds, and I also did get snagged up on one of the reefs over there. But it was a pretty cool experience getting on that little catamaran and sailing in the ocean. So yeah, this is one of the clips from the August 19th, and later on you're gonna see me and my girlfriend go out deep sea fishing for some blue marlin and some mahi, also known over there as dorado, and that's gonna be a successful trip. I get to land, it's not a big marlin, but it's a pretty decent sized marlin, and I also get my first mahi ever, so it was a pretty cool experience. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna let this video play out, and I'll try to narrate later on. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Sí. Gracias. So right here I'm pulling in a line with a bunch of lures, basically with no hooks, that attract fish, and right now we're hooked into a marlin, so we have to bring in all the lines, and I'm gonna sit in the chair and fight this fish. And of course I have an issue with my GoPro. I thought I pressed the button to record, but it was not recording. But my girlfriend was able to record me fighting the fish, so shout out to her. I got the little bits and clips that I was able to get because of her, and I got some of the video of the fish jumping out the water. But you know, I wish I would have got it on the GoPro. That would have been a really good footage, because it was jumping out from far and from close, so it would have been a lot better. But you know, I was able to put this up with what I had, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. And next time I'll make sure that GoPro's running. So all in all, it was pretty cool. We had the whole boat to ourselves. It was just me, my girlfriend, and a guy that was staying at the resort as well. And we were able to catch some fish. Sometimes when you go on these trips, you don't catch anything. Like the guy that's fighting the fish right now, he went the day before and didn't catch anything. He said that there was only one small barracuda caught. But today, that day, we were able to put some fish on the boat with that one marlin and 3 mahi. So it was a pretty cool experience. I would do it again, and maybe next time we'll catch some bigger fish and some more fish. And yeah, I'm hopefully wanting to go to Florida maybe next year and go on one of those trips and see if maybe I could catch some snook or redfish. So I'll try to put that in a calendar for next year, and we'll see if we can put a video up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and if you do, please give it a like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Tight lines.